Guys, welcome back to my channel and latest and new ideas, styles, looks for girls and women. Latest trends handbags and explore the latest trends in handbags including style, colors and materials and see how you can incorporate them into your wardrobe. And I hope you like it. Research and proper techniques for different materials such as a leather, pseudo or fabric to make your handbags last long. Creative storage solution for your handbags, and especially if you have limit space, and learn how to pair different handbag styles with outfit to create stylish looks for various ascension. Feel free to ask for more information or details on any of these ideas. Like beautiful and latest crochet touch and center and like shoulder straps look beautiful crochet pattern and beautiful latest floral tags crochet clutch with intricate floral pattern. Lovers can add a touch of elegance and femininity to your design and looks. So I hope